Hello, this is Shide Yang, a co-founder of IAB Technology. I wanted to address most commonly occurred three problems in the pharmaceutical company for drug discovery. The first one is the time consuming at discovery stage. The second one is the high cost for drug development. The third one is about the longer clinical trial. So all those common problems, they summarize to be like safety issue. As you can see here, for the regular research lab, conventional research lab, they mostly discover the new drug only focus on efficacy. But for regulatory agency like FDA, they review the drug with safety first for the human clinical trial. So our technology will be focused on efficacy as well as the safety for the drug discovery. So what is our solution? Our solution is particularly making use of the genomic sequence out there and change those information into protein structural model and predict their docking interaction information using structural bioinformatic tool, and then we can predict the antibody with efficacy as well as safety. And then we summarize those scores into a very novel index. We call it preclinical efficacy and safety index. And we can use this index to foresee the clinical trial outcome. So we don't need a lot of experiment. We just need the genomic sequence, and then we can predict their clinical trial outcome. So here is the case study that we have ever discovered or evaluate antibody against the influenza virus. As you can see, here is an example of antibody CR8020. We got the genomic sequence from the database, and we translate those genomic sequence. And here, each red bar is about the antigen genomic sequence that represent different influenza virus. So using our platform, we can come out with the very high correlation between the functional assay and the modeling scoring. So this is a very exciting case, and we already evaluate for antibody that is already published by the papers, and we found one of them particularly in the clinical trial, and we can foresee the outcome as well. So who is our target customer? We want to shoot for two types of customers. First one is big pharma. Those companies wanted to develop new antibody drug with low cost and lower down the time. So we provide the technology for those big pharma like Merck, Sanofi, and Novartis as well. And the second target customer is small business because they don't have much budget to carry out the new drug discovery. So we can help them using our technology to discover the new antibody drug. The core technology of IAB is computational antibody screening. So IAB provides service contract to the big pharma, and then we call this B2B model. So there are two stages to develop our business model. First stage, phase one, we wanted to convince the customer we need to have a successful story and having a partnership with big pharma like Merck, and then we can move into the phase two and recruit more and more customers to join our network and expand our business. There are three members in our team. The first one, Oijin. He is the co-founder of IAB Technology. Oijin has been working on in silico antibody drug screening for a couple of years. And the second one is Kenneth Yang, who is in charge of the antibody engineering and optimization. The third member is Li Mingjian. He has been working on the antibody and antigen library design using computational approach. So all of these three members are well trained in computer science and information engineering, as well as the molecular biology. Nowadays, many companies provide a service for antibody engineering and optimization, as well as the service for antigen or antibody library design. Beyond these two services, big pharma need to discover brand new antibody drug, like the small molecule virtual screening. IAB is the only company to provide high throughput in silico antibody screening in the world.
IAB, incredible, intelligent and innovative.